Let us install the disc brake and brake pads. Step 1. Apply silicone grease on the caliper pin. Step 2. Carefully slide the pin into the housing. Step 3. Clean the excess grease on the housing with cotton waste. Step 4. Clean the brake pads with emery paper. Step 5. Apply silicone grease on anti-rattle shim. Step 6. Apply silicone grease on tip of brake pad. Step 7. Install the brake pads in the caliper assembly with the wear indicator. Ensure that the friction surface is towards the disc side. Step 8. Fix the brake pads in place. Using a C-clamp, push the caliper piston inside and fit the brake pads in place. Step 9. Lower the caliper assembly. Step 10. Using a spanner, fix the caliper bolts. Step 11. Using a torque wrench, torque the bolts to the manufacturer prescribed torque. Step 12. Mount the tires and fix the wheel bolts. Step 13. Using a spanner, fix the wheel bolts. Step 14. Lower the vehicle from the two-post lift. Step 15. Using a torque wrench, torque the bolts to the manufacturer prescribed torque. Step 16. Repeat the inspection of brake pads and disc brake for the other wheel.